Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and good afternoon to our lecturer, Madam Tuan Rafidah binti Tuan Hassan and Madam Nora Shikim binti Yaakob. Before we started our present, I will introduce my group member. And my name is Ahmad Hasib bin Adimi, 17 DKA 20YF 1045. For the objective is to determine the California bearing ratio CBR, the value of the subgrade soil.
My name is Muhammad Hendrian bin Hendra, 17 DKA 25F 1048. Ratio CBR test is used to measure the strength of soil for road construction. In this test, a standard plunger of 50 mm diameter is pressed into the soil at a constant speed of 1.25 mm per minute, and the force required is recorded at 2.5 mm and 5 mm penetration. These values are then compared with standard loads to calculate the CBR value as a percentage. A higher CBR value indicates stronger soil, while a lower value show weaker soil, and the test can be carried out and both remote and undisturbed samples.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Ahmad Denizwa and my matrix number is 70 DKA 35F 1039, and today I'm going to talk about types of equipment in CBR testing. And for the first one, CBR testing machine. It applies loads to the soil sample. And for the number 2, penetration piston. It penetrates soil to stimulate vehicle pressure. And for the number 3, CBR mold. It holds the soil sample is standard size. And for the number 4, spaces disc. It control the height of the soil sample in the mold. And for the number 5, compaction rammer is compact soil to required density. And for the number 6, dial gauge or digital gauge. It's measure penetration depth. And for the number 7, surcharge weight. It stimulate pavement load. And for the number 8, soaking tank. Salt sample for the wash condition test. And for the number 9, filter paper allows water flow and prevent soil loss. And for number 10, perforated base plate is support sample and allow drainage. And for the number 11 is probing ring. It's measure apply load.
Sieve it in 20 mm IS sieve using mechanical shaker, and then add measured quantity of water to it. Second step is place the spacer disc over the base plate and coarse filter paper on it.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Alfa Farzana binti Azharul Khay and my metric card number is 17 DKA 25F 1042. Step 3. Fill 1/5 of the mold with the soil sample. Each layer is compacted by giving 56 evenly distributed blows using a hammer of weight 4.89 kg. Each layer of soil is compacted by giving 56 evenly distributed blows using a hammer of weight 4.89 kg. The top layer is compacted soil is scratched. After third layer, collar is also attached into the mold and process is continued. Collar is removed and excess soil is struck off. Wire scratching is done between each layer because it's want to bonding between layers.
And for the step 4, we need to remove base plate and invert the mold. Then it is clamped to base plate. Place the surcharge weight above the mold. And the new filter paper is placed below inverted mold, and surcharge weight of 2.5 kg is placed on top surface of soil. And for the step 5, specimen is placed in position on the testing machine along with the half weight and plunger. Load at penetration of 0.5, 1.0, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, 4.0, 5.0, 7.5, 10.0 and 12.5 mm are noted. The penetration plunger of diameter 50 mm is brought in contact with the soil and a load of 4 kg sitting load is applied so that contact between soil and plunger is established. And die rings are adjusted to 0. Load is applied such that penetration rate is 1.25 mm per minute.
Step 6 is observation and calculation diameter of plunger. And this is the correct answer for it.
For the step 7 is your plot graph of axial loads versus penetration. After you plot, you get blue lines, blue curve line like the video. For step number 8 is observation and result. We use unit standard load for 2.5 mm is 17 kg, 70 kg, and unit standard load for 5 mm is 105 kg. For the calculation, we can refer graph California bearing ratio CBR 2.5 mm equals to 2.5 mm and standard load corresponding to 2.5 mm times 100, and another formula is California bearing ratio CBR 5 mm, same like the first formula but is 5 mm penetration and times 100. And lastly, you get since the soil is within the specified range, it is suitable for pavement construction.
And for the conclusion, CBR, known as the California Bearing Ratio values, are fundamental in determining pavement thickness because they quantifying soil strength. Using both soaked and unsoaked tests ensure the pavement design is safe, realistic, and cost-effective, accounting for environmental variations such as moist change in real-world conditions. And that's all from us. Thank you.